It's that time, everybody. Time for the big horse race. And yeah, it is kind of a weird angle. So you're going to kind of get a little bit of a behind the scenes of our studio, which is just a section of our kitchen. So anyway, Mary, the stage is yours, ma'am.
Who is ready for a horsey race?
Well, I'm sure we have a few people. Unfortunately, it seems not everybody got the memo. So guess what? We have 6 entries.
So that's a 50-50 shot that you're going to win.
That you will win something. Mary, care to go through what they are going to win?
First place, it's the Blantons.
The 2 ounce.
It's a 2 ounce pour, and it is a Rick 2 coming in at 93 proof. You'll get the 2 ounce of the Blanton's Gold. That is from Rick 28 at 103 proof. And then there is the Blanton's straight from the barrel. This is also a 2 ounce coming in at 127.6 proof.
Yep.
So this is for, these 3 bottles will go to our winner.
The first place.
First place. Second place will get 3 1 ounce samples of the same. And the same thing for third place. You get a 1 ounce of all 3 that we sampled in our video.
All right. So just to show that things are on the up and up, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to flip the camera around to our handy dandy laptop.
That's set.
Let me zoom in a little. All right. And Mary, go ahead and hit the names, please.
It doesn't show unless I go to edit list.
Okay.
We have Roy P., the Bourbon Legends, Ernest Peacock, 1943, Candace Down.
No, Chance
Down.
Chance
Down Videos, Cassie Out Loud, 13, R. Borden,
23,
and Beth
Chaudin, or Chaudin, if you're from Louisiana. All right. Let me see here. Let me do a slide adjustment here so everybody can see. There's the names of everybody that's entered into this race. All right, let me adjust slightly. All right, Mary, go ahead and what we are going to do is
we have the time set for a 2-minute race, the same as the Kentucky Derby.
All right, hit numbers again. Let's see. All right, we got the 6. All right, now let me see. We've only done this once before, so hits.
We're set.
Yeah.
There's it on names.
All right, so let's hit set.
Are you going to be able to edit all this back in?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Okay, everybody, here we go. The big race. What everybody's been waiting for. Beth Borden, Miss Cassie, Mr. Peacock, and the legends are all lined up. Everybody is ready for a 2-minute race. This is the fastest 2 minutes in racing, ladies and gentlemen, sponsored by Poor Decisions Pairing. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Mary.
And if you haven't already, if you're watching this video just to see, Make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. Are you ready?
We're ready.
Mary, start the race.
Here we go. Chances down, taking it over. Here comes Beth.
Beth is running strong.
Wow, look at that lead.
Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, Ernest is coming up from behind.
So is our Bourbon.
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
Chance Downs is still holding on, trying to hold on. Oh, here we go.
30 seconds into
Cassie Out Loud is really bringing it up.
Wow. Look at these horses go.
Uh-huh. Roy P. taking the lead. Uh-oh. Here comes Beth. Look out.
Here comes Chance.
Mm-hmm. Chance is starting to fade. Roy's holding strong. Beth is starting to take a slight lead.
We are 1 minute into the race.
Halfway through, and Cassie is making a move, but here comes Ernest Peacock. 1943. A little shot of adrenaline, but he's starting to fade slightly, or he's starting to pace himself. We have less than 45 seconds, and here comes our Borden, who's caught up to Cassie. And here comes Chance Downs. Uh-oh, and Roy is starting to fade off. It is Beth and Chance taking a commanding lead at 25 seconds.
That. Are we going to have a tie?
I don't know. We'll have to see. Oh, wait, hold on. Here comes our Borden and Ernest Peacock. Ernest Peacock is giving Chance a run for his money.
Who's it going to be? We got 9 seconds.
8 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Awesome race.
Awesome race, everyone. Oh, that one looks almost like a 3-way tie up there, Mary. How about we hit the victory chalice and see who our winners are?
And first, we have Ernest Peacock. Second, we have Cassie Out Loud. 13.
Our Borden. Beth is coming in at a close 4th, and Roy a close 5th, and Chance in a very tight 6th place.
Awesome race.
Fantastic, everybody. I got to zoom us back out. There we go. All right. Wanted to make sure everybody got to see that race and know that everything is on the up and up. All right. So this is what you guys have to do. All right. When this posts the whole race, everybody do not comment your personal information down below. Shoot us an email to poordecisionspairing@gmail.com and give us your real name, what your YouTube name is, and your address, so we can start getting this stuff out to you guys, and we'll have it out Monday. Thank you guys so much for participating. And since you guys have participated on this, we're going to let you in on a little secret that Mary probably don't even know about, because I think I talked to her about it, but I didn't. Or maybe, who knows? All right. We reached over 65 subscribers today. Thank you guys so much, showing us that you guys appreciate what we're doing. So we are going to do something special. We are going to give away a bottle for a milestone to help grow this channel. We want to bring this content to more people, and we will make an announcement in the very near future. So guys, even though you guys won this, or you may not have won this race, you do have a chance for that in the future. And that'll probably more than likely be a spin the wheel, depending on how many people.
Or could do a duck race. Duck races are fun too.
It could be, but it'd be kind of hard to do that if we set it at like 250 or 500.
True that.
Yeah, we'll come up with something.
Yeah.
But anyway, Thank you guys for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope you enjoyed watching the Kentucky Derby. All right. We will see you in the next video. Until next time. Cheers.
Cheers.